Alright, we got a limp key. Chevy Silverado. Gonna do another key for him. Hopefully my machine can read it. We're gonna go decode. Yeah, it's not going. Alright. I'm gonna press OK. Just gonna probably just eyeball this key because we got places to be, people to see. Let's go back. We're going direct. Is that a 1, 2, 1, 2? No, we got 4. Nope. Did have it right. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. One second, I'm off somewhere. 4, 4. 1, 1. 2. Maybe 1, 1, 3. Hmm. 1, 2, 1. 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. 2, 4, 1, 1. Either 3 or 2. There we go. I think that's right. I'm gonna cut it. And we're gonna copy these keys too. Let's try it out. One of my buddies got stuck on a job and he asked me to help him. He's 10 minutes from here, so. Opening. I feel like I have the cuts right. Let me go get his key and jar. Maybe I'm off one cut? I don't think so. You never know. You never know. Oh, maybe. See how we do on the ignition. It works there. That's the new key. I'm gonna spray it. Oh my god, I just locked the car. Pretty funny. I feel like my cut's alright. I'm gonna leash it. I'm gonna program this key anyway, but I'm gonna leash it. See what's going on. I guess I could pop the ignition out. There's a code on it too. Maybe I'll just do that. Yeah, we'll just pop it out. Put it down to begin with because he does have a working key. Okay, here's his ignition. There's a code right on it. Let's go look at it on the light. Those were the cuts. I popped the ignition out. Looks like we were one cut off. Maybe? I don't even remember. I'm gonna cut this one. Same key again. Didn't write anything down, so see what it cuts off. Something at that end. We were one cut wrong. I think this key will still work. Okay. Still works in our ignition. Hopefully it works in the door. If not, I gotta cut another key. I'll find out right now. Perfect, it works good. So we're just gonna program this one. We're out of here. Oh, I gotta copy another key. What am I doing? Turn it on one more. I will send him his key code. I'll send him his key code if he ever needs another key. Make it easy for him. Okay, let's get this programming started. It's not like the older GMs that you can just cycle keys. Oh, I don't think it is. Let's try, right? We can save 10 minutes. Let's save 10 minutes. I could clone the chip, but... So... it took it. It took it. So we're good. She good. I guess because it's maybe it's a 2014, not a 2017. I'm copying these keys for them. It's got to have the C123. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right there. There's different numbers of these keys. If you don't have C123, you can always do a 00. 0, 0 is like the one that is, that's a different one. I can't see it. Yeah, that's a 123 also. But I do have 0, 0s just in case. Because there are like a G, I think. I don't remember. Alright, 2, one more. C123. Oh, I already got one out. Okay. That's that sidebar. So there's control keys. Oh yeah, C134. C134, C123. Why they look the same? Oh yeah, these grooves are different on this side. Anyway, all right, well, we're done. Let's put these back. These are expensive keys. I'll leave it on just so we're done. Make sure everything works. All right, let's go. Let's go help this other locksmith out. Yeah, new keys. Test all of them. This is the middle of winter in Arizona. Carefree, Cave Creek. Cool job.
I call it the Inferno.
Inferno?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's the name of the place?
Inferno Gym.
Oh, there you go.
Yes.
Inferno Gym, guys. Check it out in Carefree.